What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The race car is looking more like a race car. Brian's been busting butt on this thing. Got the front end stuff painted last night, and it is on the car. So now it looks more like a race car. So now everybody giving me a hard time, hitting me up about gotta put the front end on it. We didn't disagree. It's just where we were at in that point in time. We just didn't do it. So today, the front end is on it. The hood's not on it yet. He's got to do some supports. That thing is old floppy over there. There's not much material left in it, but it's going to work out good. So he's got to support it up, and then he's going to paint it, and then the hood's going to actually go on there. We're going to have to also redo the downpipe when that happens. It rained a little bit today, but most of our racing got canceled today. Most of the day was beautiful. It was sunny. Weatherman killing drag racing one weekend at a time. It's the only career I know where you can get paid to be wrong most of the time, but it is what it is. So we're going to go ahead and load this thing up in the trailer, and we're going to get testing tomorrow, either Kinston or Piedmont. We still don't know exactly where we're going to go yet. It's going to be one of those two, but we don't know which one yet. It kind of depends. It looks like, according to the weather people, the weather people, there's another front coming through tonight. And so we may get some more rain tonight. So Kinston doesn't usually hold water very good, but if it's a little bit of rain, then it's usually not too soggy. It's in the pits that's the problem. The track is fine, but in the pits, sometimes it gets a little soggy. Piedmont is further west from where Kinston is, so it's going to be coming from west to east. So in theory, it'll be drier quicker at Piedmont. The only problem with Piedmont is Piedmont is going to be radial prep. So Piedmont is going to be really, really, really sticky. That's not really what we're trying to do, but we're going to get out there. We're going to try to make some passes, make sure everything's good on the transmission. I made some modifications to everything in the car, so we don't know how it's going to work. Hopefully it works good. We got our tune-up in it that should go down through there real easy, probably like a 590, 580 at like maybe 120, 125 mile an hour. If it does that, we don't have any issues, then we're going to quickly revert back to our go fast tune-up, the one where we crashed the Mustang. That's going to probably be the second or third pass if it's going good. So we're going to try to get out there, and we're going to try to go personal best on the front side, see how it does. If y'all want to support the channel, don't forget, go to turbojohnracing.com, grab yourself some hats and t-shirts. We're also giving away our front wheel off the Mustang. Buy the turbo keychain and get entered to win. We're only selling 50 of those, 25 bucks a piece. All right, well, there she is, guys. She's looking good. The door is, of course, off of it because we drive it into the trailer. We just mount the door. I actually just done that today in the trailer. We got the door mounted to the wall of the trailer, so that's where it rides. Randy and all those guys, well, still all glass. A lot of them just pull their car in and out with the winch. But the problem with doing that is it takes more time. I like to be able to shove it in a trailer, lock it down, and then be good to go. But yeah, guys, I'm really excited. Can't thank Bryan enough, B&K Performance, for going in here and knocking this thing out. Looks freaking phenomenal. If y'all need any custom motorcycle painting done, helmets done, they also do some big jobs too, Mustangs and stuff. Perfection Paintworks, and this is some of the stuff. I've showed you a little bit of it before in the past, and this is one he just got started on.
How? Nothing on it. You got a lot of metal shavings in there though. But that'll blow out some strength. All I'm saying is crank it, see if it goes back.